Hello everyone, myself Dr. Kanchan Sharma and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I am going to share amazing health benefits of fenugreek seed water. Yes, and according to your Prakriti, vata, pitta or kapha, how you can consume this fenugreek seed water and take all the benefits. So let's start this video, but before that, don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to get updated with all latest notifications. If you want good skin, good hairs, good metabolism or strong digestive system or healthy joints, or you want to control your diabetes, then this fenugreek seed water is really helpful. But only when, if you are taking it properly according to your Prakriti. So let's start this video. If you are vata or kapha dominant Prakriti, then take half glass of boiled water and now add 2 teaspoons of crushed fenugreek seed. Leave it overnight and in morning just strain it. You have to drink this but make it lukewarm. Then drink this empty stomach. You can take this fenugreek seed water continuously for 2 months. Then you can take 1 month break and then you can start again. Now let's move towards the pitta dominant Prakriti. Pitta resembles fire. Yes, so the Prakriti is hot in nature. And fenugreek seed is also hot, so the method is slightly different. If you have pitta prakriti or you are suffering some kind of body heat issues, then you can also drink this water. But how? Take half glass of normal water, add 1 teaspoon of fenugreek seeds. Just little bit crush them and leave it overnight. In morning, drink this. Don't make it warm, just drink this water normally. So this is the method and you don't have to take daily because your Prakriti is Pitta. So what you can do, you can take on alternate day. So like this method, you can also take this for 2 months, then take 1 month break and then again you can start. So this is how you can take this fenugreek seed water. It has amazing health benefit. You can start from today. And don't forget to tell me the result in comment section. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching my video.